You have other hats I like better. What do you think?
It's very new.
Do you like it though?
Not really that much. It's kind of almost too bright. I don't know. I'm not ready to get rid of it though.
Hey, I'm Crystal Nurple. I help people declutter, de-stress, and simplify. And that was my very first organizing client and my handsome husband, Rob. We have been together for 30 years, which means for the past 3 decades, I have been trying to organize and declutter and shuffle his stuff around. And I have made a lot of mistakes and figured out a few things that I thought I would share with you guys. First of all, you cannot organize for somebody else, especially without their permission. And they have to be involved in the decluttering process and also have a huge say in how the systems work. Otherwise, they are not going to work. So I thought it would be fun to show you how Rob and I work together and how I let him take the lead on figuring out how to organize his hats and what to declutter. And he did an amazing job, and I am excited to show you what he did. Step 1 is to find all of the things you're organizing. So he's going around the house and he's finding all of the hats. So there's some in the bathroom, there's some in the closet, there's some upstairs in his office, there's some in the hallway on the coat rack, there's some out in the garage in his car. So if you've got things scattered all over the place, it's kind of hard to remember exactly what you have.
This is horrible.
After you've gotten together everything that you're going to organize, the very first step that you need to do is declutter. You need to purge, because if you don't purge and get rid of what you're not using and what you don't love, you're never ever going to stay organized. Rob got enough racks to hold 80, is that correct, Rob? 80 hats. So you have enough for 80 hats. So no more than 80 hats. Make that your rule. Your container should be your rule. So if you don't have enough room for the thing, you shouldn't have the thing. So if you don't have enough room for the thing, you shouldn't have the thing. Okay, so we're gonna have Rob go through all of these one by one and decide if he loves it still and he wants to keep it, and see if there's anything that he can purge. And this is 100% his decision. You cannot force anybody to get rid of anything. So Rob's gonna make all the decisions. So do you like this one? Keep. Okay, so I'm gonna have you go through all of these yourself, touch every single one of them and look at them and decide if you're gonna keep them or not. And then we already found one over here that we gathered that this is not even yours, so that doesn't even count. So we're gonna get that out of the way, that's spirits. Okay.
Okay, where's trash?
Okay, anything you don't want, here, hand to me. Well, don't throw them at me. That was nice.
Alright, good.
Okay, Keith. Okay, so put it over here. Keith. Oh, sorry. I feel like you didn't move it. This one's good? Would you like the purple one?
Yeah, I like it. It's kind of cool.
So we've been together long enough for me to know that when he starts looking at me like that it's time to stop. He's had enough. So you've got to take breaks when you're ready to take breaks when you're decluttering. Okay, you did good. So those are all Rob's donations. Okay, so how do you feel about that? Are you good getting rid of those?
Yeah, I'm fine with that.
Okay. So after decluttering comes the sorting. So we sorted the hats by category, so fishing hats, hunting hats, sports hats. This is actually a step that Rob wanted to skip, but as he did it, he realized how many hats he had in certain categories, and he was able to find more things to get rid of, and it also was an opportunity to see how much he had in total to make sure that they were really going to fit in the space that he had allotted. In the end, he ended up with about 60 hats, which is amazing. So plenty of room to hang those suckers up in the closet. So he went ahead and put them in the Dome Dock, which is the organizing product that he decided to use. And I will share with you the Amazon link so you can find that yourself if you are interested in purchasing it. And everything is nice and organized in a way that he prefers, in a way that he can find everything and he knows where it is. So, success! Hit that subscribe button so you can see all my new videos, and you can find me at crystalnurple.com. If you need help decluttering, de-stressing, and simplifying, you can work one-on-one with me, and you can also apply to join my Loving Your Home Club. All right, the next big project that Rob and I need to work on is underneath that bathroom sink.